Hey, Buy Smart fans! Welcome back to the channel where we make sure your wallet gets the best bang for its buck. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a head-to-head showdown between the ELEGOO Saturn and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Who will come out on top? Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk money. The ELEGOO Saturn will set you back around $352, while the Creality Ender-3 V3 comes in at a more budget-friendly $299. That's a $53 difference. Reviewers have noted that the ELEGOO Saturn offers great value for its price, with high-quality prints and excellent customer support. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is praised for its affordability and speed, making it a great entry-level option. ELEGOO Saturn boasts a printing speed of up to 70 millimeters per hour. Not bad, right? Well, hold on to your hats because the Creality Ender-3 V3 can print at a mind-blowing 500 millimeters per second with 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's like comparing a leisurely stroll to a Formula One race. Reviewers are particularly impressed with the Ender-3 V3's speed, making it ideal for... If speed is your thing, Creality's got you covered. Next, let's talk about size. ELEGOO Saturn gives you a generous build volume of 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 cubic millimeters. It's like the SUV of 3D printers. On the other hand, Creality Ender-3 V3 didn't bother to flex its volume muscles in its specs, but trust me, it can handle your average projects. Reviewers have found the ELEGOO Saturn's large build area to be quite beneficial for bigger projects, while the Creality Ender-3 V3 is more suited for everyday printing tasks. ELEGOO Saturn's got a 10-inch 12K mono LCD, with a resolution that can capture every pimple on your model's face. Add in the Fresnel collimating light source, and you've got yourself some seriously sharp prints. Creality Ender-3 V3 counters with a precision-focused design, smart algorithms, and 0.1 millimeters printing accuracy. Reviewers rave about the ELEGOO Saturn's print quality and precision, while the Ender-3 V3 is praised for its consistent and reliable performance. ELEGOO Saturn comes with Voxel Dance Tango software, offering 3 modes: static, smooth, and high speed. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for 3D printing. Creality Ender-3 Volts 3, however, is all about making your life easier with auto-leveling, a touch UI screen, and 3 ways to print: phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive. Plus, it has a filament shift sensor and power failure recovery. Reviewers appreciate the user-friendly features of the Ender-3 Volts 3, while the ELEGOO Saturn is noted for its versatility. Both the ELEGOO Saturn and Creality Ender-3 V3 have garnered positive reviews overall. The ELEGOO Saturn is praised for its high-quality prints, large build volume, and excellent customer service. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender-3 V3 stands out for its speed, ease of use, and affordability. Some reviewers have noted occasional issues with both printers, but these are generally outweighed by their strengths. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Saturn and the Creality Ender-3 V3 both bring something unique to the table. ELEGOO is your detailed, high-res friend, perfect for those intricate projects. Creality is your fast, user-friendly buddy, ideal for when you want to print and go. Which one gets your vote? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic comparisons, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.